Hi guys. So we're going to be launching a new business, a new dropshipping business. Okay, and running it all the way from Nigeria. Okay, so running it right from Nigeria. We want to show you exactly, how we build our dropshipping businesses, so you can have a very clear understanding of, that hey, this is possible and kind of like the process and the system we use. So we're going to kind of be as transparent as possible when it comes to these new business. This is brand new, guys. As you can see, it's just there's nothing completed. This business is called Essentials. So as you can see, this is exactly how it looks like. So this is the skeleton of the website. Nothing is being done. We are going to change this to either US dollars or pounds, depending on which country we want to go through, or maybe Australian dollars, right? So we choose a market and then we change the currency to the currency of that market or that country, right? We're also going to redesign the homepage, the product pages and the collections and add products to it. Now, when we start, we're going to focus on when we add products, we're going to find winning product or a product itself. And when we find a product, we're going to also reveal that to you. How do we find our products? You know, we're going to also reveal the products that we are running ads on. This is going to be transparent, guys. It's not hidden. You're actually going to see. You can go to the website. When we start, you can go to the website and see that it's active. Our social media is going to be open in terms of you very clearly seeing us marketing the business and our products on the social media channels. Um, yeah, so it's going to be as transparent as possible. Now, if you want to get a deep insight into what we do, then joining our dynamic support group will be the best way to go, because there will give way more information, way more insight about this business, Tabs Essentials, than we might probably do on YouTube. So YouTube is just going to have highlights and the transparency of the fact of that you can actually go to the website, visit the website and see the products that we're selling, and how we have our website very clearly designed. Okay, remember, all the way from Nigeria, guys, everything like from Nigeria. So you're gonna watch us actually build this, because a lot of people say, oh, dropshipping from Nigeria doesn't exist, or you cannot do it. Um, but that's a lie. You can actually do it. You just don't know how. And that is exactly why we exist and we are established in a Winston Pedigree. You can always come to us for help, so we can help you out. Start building your own dropshipping business. Okay, so this video is just meant to be an introduction to the business, our new dropshipping business, which is going to be transparent to you guys. Again, when we find a product, when we do product research and we find a product to sell, um, we're going to fulfill the product, fulfill the orders of the product using AliExpress, until we get a reasonable volume. Maybe like we're receiving 15, 20 orders, 30 orders per day. Then we go and find an agent in China that's going to be fulfilling the orders for us quickly as possible, and also be able to negotiate the product cost, so the cost of the product down a little bit, so we can make more profit. Right, so everything is going to be shown, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, this will be the best time to do it, so you can actually watch this growth. If you want to see more in depth, you want us to support you, you want to have more access to us, then join our Dynamix support group. It's paid, guys. It's paid. It's not free. So just so you know, if you want free stuff, then YouTube channel is the way to go. But if you want more quality and more value, then joining our dynamic support group would be the best way to go. Okay, so when we start building the website for Tabs Essentials Shopify website, um, we're going to walk you through all this stuff, the sections: orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts. You're going to see how we operate, how we start setting them up, and also how we're going to be operating the business. Like I said, on YouTube, you're going to see highlights. We're going to post highlighted videos of what we are doing. But if you're in a Dynamics support group, you would see us do it every single, like, frame by frame. So every single step, you would watch us build it. So you can start yours as well. So that's going to be all for this video, guys. So as you can see, you know, this is brand new, guys. Nothing changes. We're using the team done, but we're going to change the team to something else. It's a brand new website. It's a brand new business. Tabs Essentials. We're going to build it. It's going to be active. We're going to make money with it. You're going to watch us make money with this. You're going to watch us build it. You're going to watch our customers visit our website and actually place an order and all that stuff, right? You're going to see it's going to be as transparent as possible. All right, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Remember, if you enjoy this video, or if you want to, anything about, if you're interested in dropshipping from Nigeria, okay, Shopify dropshipping from Nigeria, dropshipping from Nigeria, E-commerce dropshipping from Nigeria, dropshipping towards the United States, dropshipping towards the United Kingdom, dropshipping towards the Western world, okay, and abroad, you're interested in earning dollars and pounds, all that stuff, then subscribe to our channel, okay. And if you want to join our dynamic support group, let us know, guys. You could you could contact us through our email or through our social media, Instagram or Facebook, or even our phone number. Okay, you could contact us to WhatsApp as well, and we will be able to, to see how we can actually help you out.